Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Pwsb, Personal Mobile Banking, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Pwsb Personal Mobile Banking app, offered by Port Washington State Bank, is designed to make personal banking convenient from your mobile device. The app lets you check account balances, review recent transactions, transfer funds between your Pwsb accounts, receive text alerts, and find nearby branches or ATMs. The app's main feature is its everyday banking dashboard. You open the app to immediately see how your finances stand, move money, set up alerts, and locate service points. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the clean interface and strong rating of 4.8, noting that it lets you check balances, review transactions, transfer funds, and find branch/ATM locations. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional issues with login or biometric access, and the app may focus on core banking features rather than advanced tools like external account aggregation or investment tracking. In summary, the Pwsb Personal Mobile Banking app may be worth using if you're a Port Washington State Bank customer who wants reliable, mobile-friendly access to your accounts for checking balances, transferring funds, and staying on top of your transactions. However, if you require high-end financial planning tools or cross-institution integration, you might find the feature set more basic. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.